Well, welcome everyone. My name is Patrick Joseph, and I do live in DMV, Washington, Maryland, Virginia area. And I have the opportunity tonight to take part of this meeting. We are going to talk, not we, Mr. Richard. So yeah, welcome back everyone. My name is Patrick Joseph again, and I'm thrilled to be a part of this company that we are going to talk about. And it's GIT, Global Investment Trading. They are global and they are literally help for those who have money, for those who don't have money. Everyone is welcome. And we have our host today, which his name is Richard. He lives in Orlando, Florida. It's a good friend of mine. We've been friends for a very long time, and so far he will give you more detail about what GIT is and how you can profit it from that. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And also, if you have any a question that we do not answer, we're always going to find an answer for you. You will never leave this meeting without an answer. If we don't have it, we will come back with an answer for you regardless. So take notes, and then, Mr. Richard, you have the mic.
Thank you, Pat, and be safe on the road when you're gonna on the highway. Welcome back again, folks. We are in our meeting every Thursday, 8 to 9. You'll be able to ask questions, but what I'm gonna ask you, we're gonna give a disclaimer right now. This program is right now recorded, so you'll be able to have it at the end. We're gonna post it on the group, and you can type your question in the chat. There's a chat at the bottom of the screen. You can click there and start typing your question while we are presenting. And at the end, we're going to open the mics. And if you want to ask verbally your question, you can do so. Again, as Patrick mentioned, my name is Richard Beijing. We live in Florida, in Orlando. And it has been a fantastic, awesome opportunity for us to start doing business with that company that we're going to show you today. In this meeting today, you're gonna learn, but also you're gonna see the opportunity. Maybe you heard it before. There's some new version, so we're gonna show you some extra information, but also you'll be able to grab what this company can offer you, share it with your friend, your family. Definitely, you can help them out. So we're gonna start our presentation by sharing our screen. We have a lot of good stuff to show you guys. So again, remember, you can start asking questions by typing the question in the chat. So again, we're gonna tell you today, so how today, in the day and age we're living right now, all of us is trying to find a way for a better life. Like I was talking to my friend right now, he's on the road driving, working. But the question you might ask yourself, how long I'm gonna be working? So that's something you should ask yourself every day. As Robert Kiyosaki, in his book called Poor Dad, Rich Dad, he has explained what we call like a cash flow quadrant. You got four space in it. The first one is for employee, or we should say today, on employee. Pretty much an employee is a person that sell his time for money. You get it. A lot of us right now are employees, and we are doing one job, two jobs, three jobs. So the more jobs you do, the more money you take and you get. But also the less job or no job you do, no money come. So you sell your time for money. But right now in the pandemic, pretty much we have more than 40 million unemployed. Now, some of us also gonna go and do what we call like a self-employed. A self-employed is another employee, but you just own the job. It's the same thing. You sell your time for money. And again, if you don't work, money stop to come. The third quadrant, that's the B. B for business owner. And we talk about somebody that have like pretty much 500 employees. And in that time, you have time with for you, for your family, because people are working for you. People are making money. But again, it's people. Today, people are staying home. Maybe some of them went back to work, but again, no people, no money. And the fourth quadrant, this is the investor. An investor has his money making money. So there's no people involved in it. So the investor can have his money working smart, making more money. So he can travel, he can even pass away and leave a good wealth. So today I invite in you, instead of selling your time or start, you can go from ESB to I, be an investor. Today we're gonna talk about investment today. So pretty much we're gonna say, what is investing? Investing is pretty much when you use your money or your time and to get a profit, a benefit from it. And I will tell you, investing comes with risks, the risk of losing. And some of you are going to say, I'm not going to do it. You're going to try to avoid it. But that's not the right way to do it. Some are going to say, I'm going to try to do it myself. But alone, you won't be able to make it. And the third way is to transfer it over. We're going to show you how to do that. As an investor also, you might be conservative, means you are precautious. You're not going to invest in everything, something safe, maybe at the bank. But you and I know the bank gives you very, very little. Also, moderate, you are in between. And the aggressive, gonna go head down. Means you're gonna invest everything because you want to have a huge return. We have a solution for you that's gonna keep it safe but give you more. Just for comparison, if you go at the bank, you ask for a CD. Most of us know about CD. I will tell you, a CD, what you call like a certificate of deposit, is in kind of an investment. But think about that, 1.20 or 21% for 2 years, you're gonna get only 39 bucks. This is really nothing. But a lot of us have money right now at the bank in the city. We're gonna show you a better way to place your money in having a better return. We're gonna talk about today history about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is what we call a market disruptor. A market disruptor, it's something or a way of changing stuff. By 2008, the banks, the governments, the countries are regulating everything. So they can tell you how much money you can get, what to do with it. Cryptocurrency came at that time and said, we're going to change that. Cryptocurrency, what is it? The first word, crypto, is encryption, coded, it's protected. So not anybody can get access to it. Currency, that's money. So cryptocurrency is pretty much something you're gonna find in, should I say, in computing, because it's gonna be digital. So it's not something you're gonna be able to see, to smell. It's pretty much on the computer, not something you're gonna be able to see and touch, should I say this way. Now, cryptocurrency also gonna be working on what we call a blockchain. What is a blockchain? A blockchain, just imagine like a road where you're driving your car. The road is the blockchain. The car is the coin, the cryptocurrency on that blockchain. So you see the lights, you see the connection, that's the blockchain. So if you drive, for instance, from Alaska to Florida, you're gonna find a road that's gonna drive you all the way down there. That's the blockchain. On the blockchain, it's kind of like a ledger, like an accountant. Any transaction gonna be right in the blockchain and anybody can see it. So whatever the transaction you do right now is gonna be recorded. That's the next step. That's the platform the whole world gonna be using. And it's fast, secure, and not centralized. Pretty much everything you do, you can go and check on etherscan.io. If you transfer money over blockchain, you can go there and see that. Now, what is a coin? Just I mentioned earlier, it's just money, but digital money, not the one you used to. But there's several coin right now in the blockchain. For instance, Bitcoin, yes, the famous Bitcoin. We got also Litecoin or Ethereum or Monero or Ripple, XRP. Oh yes, Sim coin. That coin, we're going to talk about this coin pretty much later on in this presentation. So Bitcoin, most of us keep saying that's the mother of the coins because that's the one pretty much we, I would say 2009, discover, and they're going to change the way we do business. So this coin, again, this software computer program has been developed by a group, pretty much, they call themselves Satoshi Nakamoto. It's a name, it's a pseudonymous name. Nobody can find that guy because it doesn't exist. So that coin give access to more than 5,000 coins today. So when you have coins, when you have money, you need a platform called an exchange to exchange your money to something else, like we call like a pair. You have the US dollar, you can buy like the Canadian dollar, or you can buy the euro from Europe, or you can buy the pesos from the Mexican. That's what we call like exchange. On the exchange, you can do transfer, you can buy and sell. So there's several of them like Coinbase, Binance, FTX, CX, local Bitcoins, Bitfinex, Bittrex, CoinMama, Kraken, Changeling, Prime XB, SBT, BitMEX. But also, we have another one, and I need you guys to pay attention to it. It's simtrex.net. And in parentheses, this is stand for Sim Trading Exchange. Keep this in mind. That's two, the Sim Coin and the Sim Trading Exchange platform. And here we have a table for you guys just to show you the 12 best cryptocurrency exchanges out there that you can go, you can buy, you can have an account with them. And with that, you'll be able to exchange some coins. You got a list over there, the first 12, and you can see how you can put money in this wallet using like a credit card, a debit card, a bank account, or crypto. Also, which crypto you can buy over there. Some of them are only Bitcoin. Others offer you 4, even hundreds of coins that you can buy over there. Now, what is a wallet? A wallet pretty much gives you access to your money, to your currency, to your cryptocurrency. The wallet doesn't hold the coin, but give you access to let you know what you have there, and you can exchange it. There's 4 ways to use a wallet. You can use online on the internet, you can use on your desktop, you can use on your jump drive, or you can use on your phone. And you can see some of them are very secure than others. Now, we're here today for investment. And I told you before, it's better for you to go from the ESB to the I, investor. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you there's a better way to gain more money. Global Investment Trading, GIT, that's a company. We're going to show you what the company bring on the table for you. But as the name mentioned over there, global means we are all in it. We are all everywhere. And everywhere means also 24/7. You can have access to your investment. 24/7, you're going to make money. Your money going to be invested. 24/7, also, you're going to gain your payout. While you're sleeping, you're making money. So global, we are all in it. So it doesn't matter your sex, your color, where you're living, you can be part of it. You can invest. How are they going to make your money work for you? By trading. Trading is pretty much go on an exchange, buy low, sell high. Now, GIT came to life with a man, and we don't have the time to go all over his history, but it is very interesting to know. Born in 1983, Mr. Emil Parfait Sim, after having his master's degree in computer science, start trading cryptocurrencies, and he find out he can make a lot of money and say, why not? Why not having something on paper, having a business, having a school of teaching how to do that, because I can have more. He decided to create in 2017 this company that we call today GIT. And GIT has several products and services. And as you can see on the screen right there, we got Liyeplimal. Also, they have several platforms that you can go there, like liyeplimal.net. That's the platform for Liyeplimal. We got Lee Market, kind of the same thing if you know about eBay, Amazon. Lee Market, Mada.net, LeePortal.net. And they have school. They have also driving school. Simtrex.net, that's the exchange platform. And simcoin.net, that's another portal for the sim coin, the coin of sim, pretty much. Now, to do trading, again, we said earlier, you need a platform. GIT use several platforms. The main platform is their own platform. So they build their own platform to trade. This is extraordinary. Simtrex, that's their own platform. But besides Simtrex, they use also Bittrex, Poloniex, Bitfinex, Bitstamp to go and trade and make money for you. If you can see right there, these platforms, Bitfinex, Bitstamp, Bittrex, and Poloniex, they are part of the first 20 most trusted platform, secure, when you can make money and your money not gonna be stolen, hacked by anybody. So you are secure in your investment. Now, talking about investment, you need to start somewhere. You need to start with money. So how do you start investing? You're gonna start investing by buying what we call a crypto active packages. Just for disclaimer, I'll tell you the numbers you're gonna see right there. They are in limo. What we call limo is Liyeplimal money. One limo equal $1.33 in US dollar. Now let's go from there. The lowest you can invest with Liyeplimal GIT is 100 limo. You can go 200, you can go 400, you can go up to 100,000 package. But the money you can invest, there's no limit to that. You can buy as many packages as you want to. So you can invest several millions, but they're going to be divided by packages. Now, I think we're working on some packages with higher investment. Now, if you see here on the table that the Abidjan package, 100 package, the 200 package, or the 400 package, they report you 60% for the 100, 70% for the 200, 80% for the 400. What does that mean? If you buy the 100 package, we're gonna give you $3.07 every single week. In parentheses, it is said interest plus principal. We're gonna explain to you later on what we mean by that. So every single week, you're gonna get $3.07. Times 4, every single month, you're gonna get $12.28. And at the end of 12 months, 52 weeks, 1 year, you're gonna get 160. For 200, 340. For 400, 720. If you go higher, like 800, you're gonna get pretty much 1,520. For 1,600, you're gonna get 100%. Most of the time, we talk about 100%, the 1,600 package, the Malabo package, because that package gives you $61.53 or 51 limo, 53 cents every single week, which is 246 limo dollar and 12 cents every single month. And at the end of the year, 12 months, you have twice your money. 100% of what you put in, you're gonna get out. If you invest 3,200, you're gonna be 6,560 at the end of the 12 months. But also, if you go higher, 6,400, you're gonna get at the end of the 12 months, 13,445. If you invest 12,800, it's gonna be 27,520, which is 115%. If you invest 25,600, it's gonna give you 120% back, which is gonna be 56,000 $320 at the end of 52 weeks. 51,200, that's the 12 package. It's going to give you 124%, which is going to be $8,822 every single month. And at the end of the 52 weeks, you're going to get $114,688. And if you go ahead and buy the WAGA package, which is the 100,000 limo, you're going to get 225,000 after 12 months of investment. Every single week in your account, you're going to get $4,226 interest plus principal. Now, some of you asked the question, how they compute the value. We're going to show you a breakdown and we're going to try to answer your question. And we're going to take an example, the package 400. How to understand the numbers inside that package. Take here because pay attention. There's a lot of numbers. And if you still have questions, we're going to explain to you. I'm going to go slow and I'm going to pause on the page so you can see the numbers. Let's say, for example, we're going to see the principal, also interest. They're going to credit you. Also, the term means for how long you're going to invest it. Remember, we invest for 1 year, 52 weeks, 12 months. So again, the package 400 at 80% give you as a factor 0.8 for 1 year, 12 months or 52 weeks. So the payout going to be next week. Let's say today is Thursday. Next Thursday, you're going to receive your payout. So it's going to be at the end of 52 weeks, 400, the principal, plus interest going to be 400 times 0.8 in 52 weeks. When you do the math, you're going to get the 400, the principal, and 320, which is the 80%. Total 720 in 52 weeks or 1 year. Now, if we divide by 52 to get the week value, you're going to get 400 on 52 plus 320 on 52. Exactly, 52 weeks on 52. So that's going to give you 7.69 plus 6.15, which is 1384 for 1 week. You see the first line up there? The 1384. That's where it came from. Now, in a month, you multiply by 4. 1384 by 4 gives you 5536. The second line in the table for 1 month. And you get it right there. That's for the year, 720. That's for the week, 1384. And that's for the month, 5536. I hope it's clear for you. So the money you get at the end is your principal plus the interest combined, divide by 52, you receive every week. So every week, your investment plus interest came to you little by little in 52 installments. I think you got that one. Now, also, we did some comparison side by side for you where you can buy some cryptocurrency because you need to buy the cryptocurrency to get the limo. We go and did some research on Coinbase.com, Crypto.com, Gemini, and even on Cash App. Yes, you can go there and buy some cryptocurrency so you can exchange with the limo. As you can see there, some of them are online, some of them need to use on your phone, and also some of them is faster than others, like 7 days for Coinbase to 3 business days for Crypto.com, also 30-40 minutes for Cash App, so you can go faster. Some of them you can use your bank or card, and others you have to use crypto to buy. And the fees to buy is vary from one to another, like 154 for Coinbase, 0.3 for Crypto.com, which is awesome, 0.99 for Gemini, or 0.75 for Cash App. So remember also up there on the Crypto.com, there's a QR code up there. If you scan that, when you create your Crypto.com account, you're gonna get a free $50 from us. That's a gift from us. Now, when you create your account, we're gonna let you know pretty much later on when you're gonna ask the questions. When you create your account, that's your dashboard. On your dashboard, there's several stuff over there. When you put the money in it, is going to be at your balance. That's where you're going to see the money coming in. But also, when you use that money from your balance, you're going to buy a package, for instance, the 800 package. And that 800 going to go to the investment part. But also, when you start receiving the money, it going to goes in your payout. Commission, we're going to talk about later on how you can get some commission. Bonuses also, how you can get some. And your sponsor turnover, how it's going to keep changing and increasing every day. Your team turnover also. And withdrawal, that's where you take out money or your investment. I will tell you, everything from your payout going to go to your balance. Everything from your commission going to go to your balance. Everything from your bonuses going to go to your balance. Okay, I think we get it there. Now, if we just take a pause, that's the first part of the presentation. We show you become investor. Just as an investor, you can put your money in, your money gonna grow. Every single week, you're gonna be receiving your payout, which is gonna be principal plus interest divided by 52. And in 52 weeks, you get your money. You can stop right there, your money gonna grow. But I got a good news for you. Some of you not gonna stop there. Some of you gonna want to have more money. And the way to get more money is to duplicate yourself. How do you duplicate yourself? Think about that. What I'm doing right now, if I have 2, 3, 5, 10, 100 of me doing the same thing, we call this passive income. Because that's income coming to me, having me not doing anything. While I'm sleeping, I'm making money. So GIT invites you to build a team. If you build a team, you're going to be compensated. If you're interested, stay tuned with us. That's the compensation plan. Right up there is you as an investor. You just invest a package of 1,600, for instance. But it's so awesome to you. You talk about it with your friend A, she invests 1,000. You get 6% out of that right there. And also B invests 400. 6 times 4 give you 24 limo right there. And they keep investing. And each time your first generation, we call it, the first line, the one you sponsor directly under you, invest money, you get 6% out of the investment. And each time they invest means they invest today, you get 6%, tomorrow, 6%. Now, something magic gonna happen, like everybody down the line keep investing. Now, I'll tell you, when your first generation, the one you invite personally, invite in total 1,800, and everybody invest 6,000. There's something I want to stop you right there because you asked the question. This table right there doesn't mean you have to have people under you and they have to have people under them. Means if only one of them, let's say on the table right there, let's say A invests for herself 6,000, that will give you exactly what I'm going to tell you right now. You're going to get $360 as a bonus, but also you're going to be granted the level 2. So at the level 2 now, you open the second generation commission, which is 2%. And the same thing, when your first generation keep investing, you're going to receive 6% out of their investment. And when you're downline, the one they invited invest, you're going to get 2% out of the investment. And again, when your first generation, the one you invited personally, totalize 10,800 limos invested from the first level to the second level also. They are combined. They are cumulative. Pretty much, they are adding everything together. So when they get to 10,800, that's your first qualification. And when everybody under you get to 36,000, yes, you're going to get another commission of 1,800 limo dollar in your account. Think about that. Your investment bring you money every single week. Your first generation, every time they invest, you get 6%. Your second generation, every time they invest, you get 2%. And also, when you meet the level requirements, you got another bonus. I got a guy today. He was so amazed. You see Richard I'm ready to quit my job. I made all that money with one investment. Yes, it's possible also for you. Now you are promoted to the third level. At the third level, yes, you open the third generation composition rate, which is going to be 1%. So your first generation, 6%. Every time they buy a package, immediately they click on buy, your phone gonna beep and you're gonna get 6% out of that in your account. The second level gonna bring you 2%. The third gonna be 1%. The same thing is gonna happen. In your first generation, totalize 54,000, and everybody, including your first generation, totalize 180,000. You're gonna be promoted as a platinum, and also you're gonna be granted 7,200 limo dollar again. And as a platinum, now you're starting to be very important, and the company invests in you now. They're gonna train you. They're gonna show you how to do the same thing they've been doing every single day, which is trading. And there's a lot of money you can make in that. Think about that. Your investment, your 6%, your 2%, your 1%, your bonuses, and the training. So you're making a lot of money. But still, you are now promoted in the fourth level. And you're going to work your diamond up now. And the same magic going to happen. Now, the fourth generation is open. You got 6% one, 2% the second generation, 1% third generation, 1% fourth generation. So your first generation, keep investing, you keep receiving 6% out of that. Your second, 2%. Your third, 1%. Your fourth, 1%. And again, when your first generation, your sponsor turnover become 270,000 limo, and everybody combine your first generation to the last one, combine 900,000. Now you become a diamond, and yes, you are granted another 18,000 limo in your account. Now you are the last level, the fifth one, the coach one, and you open the fifth generation compensation level, which is 2%. So if you combine all that, that gives you 12%, plus the bonuses, which is another 3%. So the company gives you 15% from the first level to the fifth level. So your first generation investing, you get 6% out of that. Your second generation has invested, you get 2%. Your third, 1%. Your fourth, 1%. And your fifth, 2%. And again, when your first generation totalize 1,080,000 as investing, that's one. And everybody, including your first generation, combine 3,600,000 as investment, you're gonna be promoted as a coach. You're gonna be granted $36,000, but also you're gonna be granted a brand new car. I don't know. The first coach, Mr. Bernard Bahia, received a 2020 Toyota Prado VX, full loaded, customized. I don't know where we are right now in USA or somewhere else, which car you're gonna get, but definitely you're gonna be an awesome car. But again, it's free. Don't think it's unreachable. You can do it. He did this in 2 years. You just need to invite somebody. You just need to share the good news. And it is a good news. We're making a lot of money. Think about that. 1,600 in 52 weeks give you 3,200. That's a lot. And when you teach that, definitely you can be a coach and you're going to be all the way up there. I'll tell you now how to take out some money. You can use the Visa prepaid card from the company. And I just said Visa card. So that's answer one of your questions. Visa, it's worldwide known, and that company can partner with GIT Liyeplimal to give you access to your money. And if you need more money than that, you can use also wire transfer directly to your bank account. Now, I would tell you that credit card, that prepaid card is backed up by United Bank for Africa, UBA. UBK is pretty much in several countries. And for you in America, you can find a branch in New York State, all there, like in Rockefeller Plaza at the Suite 8. You can go there if you want to see them. Pretty much, we got some frequently asked questions. We might go over some of them, but I got you guys waiting for a good while. We're gonna open the mics, and I'm gonna hand over to my friend Patrick, so Patrick can take it from
Yes.
there, though.
Well, thank you, Mr. Richard, for an awesome explanation on what is cryptocurrency. You did the very great explanation for those who has no idea what is cryptocurrency, because we are doing cryptocurrency indirectly because we are using GIT to do it for us, and indirectly we are trading. But definitely, that's a great overview that you did for us. Thank you, sir. So now, if you guys have any questions, if you don't feel like asking it, you can always type it on the chart, and we will look into it and answer you. For those who have questions, just unmute yourself, please, and then you can ask any question.
All right. Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
hello, Alex.
Yeah, this is Alex.
Awesome.
Okay. Thank you for the great presentation,
It's a
Richard.
pleasure.
My first question is, uh, this is crypto trading, right? What I want to ask is that who is regulating this? Is it in the United States or Cameroon? I think those are the two main countries I see in this presentation.
Definitely. Pat, you want to answer?
Yes, sir. So the headquarters in Cameroon, Douala. So when you're talking about cryptocurrency is worldwide. I mean, you can be anywhere, any place, and anywhere on the planet. You can do trading. So I don't know if you satisfy. If you want to add something, Richard, on what I
Yes.
just said.
Yes, pretty much. Alex asked also about the regulation. Is anybody regulating that from US or Cameroon? That's your
Yes.
question, Alex?
Either Cameroon or the United States is a branch, right?
We talk about like
When you said
the bank, UBA.
No, I'm asking. I mean, we are doing this global investment trading also in the United States. I'm being told that it is headquartered in Cameroon.
Exactly.
So the United States is
yes,
a branch.
No, there's no
not
branch
directly
yet
branch.
in United States. No, there's no branch yet. I think there's a branch in Dubai. There's some other countries, but not yet in United States. But I think because of the pandemic, maybe that's the reason we don't have a branch yet in the United States. But pretty soon, I
Oh,
think we're
okay.
gonna do that.
Okay. So if those of us in the United States, if we are trading with a company located headquartered in Cameroon, right?
Yes.
Okay. So okay, that's a good understanding. Then I wanted to understand it's let me broaden my question. Is the cryptocurrency itself under any sort of regulation? Does anybody regulate it? I know like that, like when you go to the stock market, the SEC in the United States or in various countries will be regulating it.
Okay. Now that's the main reason. If you remember my slide talking about cryptocurrency, that's the pretty much the base of the cryptocurrency. It's a decentralized
Okay.
digital money.
Yeah.
Means
Yeah. I
no
remember.
bank, no government has
Okay.
control of that.
Control over it.
So you can have it, you can have as many as you want. That's pretty much that's the future.
You got
So
it, Richard.
yes,
That's all the answer I wanted. Okay. I think that is
definitely.
the idea I got, but I wanted clarification.
Yes,
Thank you.
definitely. Pleasure. Any other question? I checked the chat. There's no question in the chat. Any other questions? You can unmute your mic. You got Cedric, Lorenzo, Jennifer, Godson, Serge, Euloge, G-Wall.
This is Alex again.
Yes, Alex, go ahead.
So in your presentation, I had weekly payouts.
Definitely.
And I also heard that we have to invest for 1 year.
The contract gonna be for 1 year. Yes.
Okay, so it's a contract for 1 year.
Mhm.
So are you able to withdraw the weekly payouts, or you have to roll them over?
That's a good question. Pretty much, there's no you have to, and that's what I like about the company. There's no you have to, and uh, I don't know if you start your account already, but if
No,
you
I have
have,
not.
oh, pretty
I
much.
have not.
So welcome on board pretty soon. I hope
Yeah.
you do tonight and go back to whoever invited you to that meeting,
Yeah.
and they're gonna show you how to start your account. Pretty much, you're gonna receive a link from them, and from that affiliate link, you can create your account. And when you go to your account, your balance is gonna say 0. Let's say you start your account with 1,600. That 1,600 gonna sit in your balance until you go ahead and click on buy the
Okay.
1,600 package. That's where your contract for 1,600 started. Now, next week, next Thursday, you're gonna be receiving your first $61 payout in your account. That money gonna be there, but that's for you. You can leave it there until 52 weeks. You take out your 3,200, but exactly after 52 weeks, you're gonna get the 3,200 limo in your account. It's up to
Okay.
you to go ahead and we buy or we purchase another package. So remember, 52 weeks, that's the contract. After that, everything stop. Let's say if you buy only one package, you don't do anything else, after 52 weeks, nothing gonna happen to you. You're not gonna be receiving payout anymore. It's done. Now, it's up to you to rebuy packages, but you can take out money one time or pretty much several times, I would say, in a month. But you have to place your order from the 1st of the month to the 23rd of the month. And after 48 hours, you'll have access to your money. But there's a fee of 2% applied to that. So you need to think about how many times you're going to take out money because
2% for each withdrawal.
exactly, there's a fee of
Okay.
2% from that money you're taking out that will be charged on your money.
Okay, so let me recap this if I understood you clearly.
Mhm.
You can withdraw your weekly payouts, but there's a limit to how many times you can withdraw in a month.
No, there's no limit, but the time frame to place
Sorry,
your
there's no
order.
limit. There's a time frame.
Yes.
Typically.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Pleasure.
I was answering a few questions on the chat, Richard, and
Okay, go ahead.
I just sent it. I just sent the answer through the to the chat answer response. Actually, they should get
Okay,
it.
so
They were asking me what's the best way to withdraw money. I told them first it would be the card. It depends on how much money you get. If you would happen to buy a package for $100,000, so you're gonna have so much money in your account, and it would be better for you to do
do
wire
the
transfer.
wire.
Depends on how much money you have in your account. But if you have a little package of $1,600 or $6,000, you still can either use the card or limo is kind of like a goal nowadays. People
Exactly.
always looking for limos. So if
They
you have
can
limos, bring
resell it.
them to us,
Mhm.
and we're gonna sell it for you. No problem. So
Definitely,
yeah.
definitely. Other questions?
Again, I'm here again. I'm sorry.
That's fine. That's fine. We're here for that. Go ahead.
I want to find out if what is the normal mode of payment? Like, if I want to, like, when I start my account, can I use, say, a credit card, or it must be a debit card or a bank account?
It all depends on where you are. If you're in the United States, or I don't know if where are you directly. If you're in Cameroon, it should be pretty easy for you. Can use your card over there. But if you're in the United States or Europe, you technically you can use Bitcoin, and you can use also Ethereum, and also the person that's invited you tonight. Also, they will guide you, man. They will guide you. We will not let you by yourself. You
Joseph, I'm sorry. I'm asking this question because I look like my top line is also quite new. I've asked some of these questions, and he invited me to join this and bring it up. He's quite new. He doesn't seem to know a lot of these things yet.
Okay. So if your upline is new, the person that invited him also, but you can always come back, as I said, because in order for you to know to buy cryptocurrency, there's a It's a step-by-step process. If you
Okay.
don't know anything about Ethereum, I can tell you, hey, go ahead and open an account and buy Ethereum.
Okay.
You have to
Yeah.
at least do your due diligence and at least know how to buy it, what to expect. Because if you don't know how to sell, how to buy it, even when you're transferring it, you can make a mistake. But we all
Definitely.
can learn. Because
Okay.
I wasn't born learning how to do it.
Of
We
course.
all can find a way to learn things,
Of
and
course.
YouTube could be your trend, man. It's a way to know everything if you want to know it. But
All right.
most definitely, you are the good place. We will help you to
Definitely.
know how to get limo. You can always come back to the group and ask for them if you need
Okay.
for like $100 or $200. You can
Okay.
ask, and also, as I said, you can go back to the person that's above
Me-
your
Yeah.
upline. They
Okay.
should be able to help you, guys. I mean,
Okay.
you need help. Somebody should be.
Patrick, there's someone asked, how can I get the Limo debit card? Can I just apply for it? What would you
Okay,
think?
every single group has an upline or somebody that knows where to get the limo card. First of all, you can directly order it from the website. But
Mhm.
second of all the platinum, they have cards available. So if you reach out to them, you will be able to get the card from there because it will cost you less
Mhm.
if you buy one card, even card, the card costs you $50, and you're gonna pay another $50. I guess you can correct me, Richard. How much would it
Yes,
cost you if
50, yeah, 50
you would
bucks, 50 bucks.
if you would order that? So it's gonna cost you too much money to order that from the company. So the easy way would be join. It would be for you to meet with your platinum or the person that invited you. They will find a way to help you for the card to cost you less. Other than that, it's gonna cost you too much. That's the
Def-
easiest way to.
Definitely. And as Alex mentioned earlier, if your upline is pretty much like you, try to go higher or higher until you find a upper upline that can help you. You need help. Don't do it by yourself. You're gonna make a lot of mistakes. And I'm gonna keep stressing that even opening your account, there's a lot of mistake today happening in creating the account about the name, the phone number, the verification, all happen because of you trying to do it by yourself. So have you helped by somebody knows pretty much what happened before, so you can make sure you avoid some mistake. There's another question from Seraphine Dento. There is a Liyeplimal Team USA group. Please feel free to join. That's a statement. And Patrick said, yes, we are the USA team.
I was
And
trying to answer and then I made it
de-
confusing. Yeah, definitely.
definitely. So do you guys have a question? We got 6 minutes to go. Normally it's 1 hour meeting. We don't hold you long. But if you have questions, definitely you can come back. And remember, that meeting is recorded. We're gonna edit it and put it on the group so you can use it for your own presentation and also refresh everything we have said today so we can learn from it. Any question? Any questions?
Check the chart, which I just see two things pop up.
Seraphim
And
is my
as
browser, and there's a Telegram also. Pretty much that's the
yeah,
statements.
so Richard, as no one has question, what I was going to add on the ad. I mean, a lot of people I've heard that before. People do not find help from
Mm-hmm,
the upline. The
mm-hmm,
upline, that's their job. That's what we call. That's what you display. That's what you said earlier on your presentation.
mm-hmm.
So if you want to duplicate yourself, how can you duplicate yourself without keeping your people that you put under you informed? You have to give them the information and the tools they need to succeed.
You have to
Because
train.
if your upline don't keep up with you, he's not gonna be succeed. Definitely he needs you to recruit other people. So that's his duty to help you.
Mm-hmm.
And if it does not help you, definitely is not it shouldn't even be your upline. Definitely there's a way you can always go back and ask him any question, but if you can't, as I said, you can always come back to our meeting. We have meetings on
Every Wednesday,
Mondays
Mondays, and
and
Thursday.
Wednesdays, Thursday. I don't know if Seraphine gonna keep doing our meetings every Wednesdays,
Mm-hmm.
but also if you are foreign speakers, we do have meetings on Saturday and Sundays. But everything that are doing in this group, it's posted on the Liyeplimal WhatsApp group and also on the Telegram. You can always reach and look the charts, and you will see what's going on in there. that will help you for anything you need.
Definitely.
We have 3 more minutes, Richard.
Yes. Anything
Yes,
else?
I wanted to say something real quick.
Go ahead.
Yes, good evening, everyone. This is Serafine Bento.
Evening.
Sorry, my camera is not on. I just came back from work.
I'm still.
Okay, so this is all I wanted to say. I wanted to ask Alex if he's in the group team user. Are you in the group?
Yes, Seraphine, I'm in there.
Okay, you are in the group.
Yes.
So, it is true that sometimes, oh my God, sorry. Sometimes your upline might not have a lot of information. That's why I was saying that when you are in the group, there's a lot of information that go through the group that can be helpful to you if you feel like you are not getting a lot of help from your upline. So that's why I always recommend joining the group and always attending meetings, because when you attend meeting, you have a lot of information that you will not have otherwise. So that's what I wanted to say.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Because taking example for me is when I started, I think when the CEO created this group a few months ago, and then I started attending meeting. I learned a lot because myself, I'm new to the cryptocurrency world. I was able to learn a lot. So yes, we are here to help if maybe the upline is not helpful. Thank
All
you.
right. Thank you.
So, Pat, we are 8:58.
Oh, well.
I think you can close. Thanks to
I
everybody.
truly appreciate. Oh, I mean, well, I would like to thank everyone that took some time to stop and listen and hear what Richard was telling us tonight. And I believe we all learned something tonight from the presentation that he has done. And the next meeting that Richard will be doing, it could be probably Richard or me, it's going to be next Thursday at the same times. And if we do have any updates, you can always check on the charts and you will see what updates are coming, and also any meetings that we have going on, either if it's the Canadian group or French group or USA group. We always post everything on the charts, and you can keep up with what's going on and about Liyeplimal. So once again, thank you guys for being here tonight. Yeah, we would like to say.
1 second, Richard, not Richard, Patrick. Yes,
Mhm.
just a reminder. There's what's today? Today's what, Thursday? Okay, today's Thursday. So there's a French meeting with Canada on Saturday for those of you who have people that speak French. And the only coach is going to be a guest speaker. It's going to be on Saturday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But that will be in French. And then Canada, and on Sunday, the CEO is having a meeting too at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, but that's also going to be in French. And then on Sunday, Canada is having an English presentation at 6 p.m. Thank you.
Awesome.
All right, that's wonderful. Thank you,
all of you.
Seraphine.
And
Thank you guys for tonight. And
have a good
go ahead and
night.
say the last word, Richard. Go ahead.
No, I always say thank you for tonight. Thank you for being with us. And again, we have a lot to learn. This is brand new for some of you. And there's a lot of information. The more you learn, I'll tell you, the better you're going to be. But remember, keep sharing the word, keep helping, and we're going to be pretty much all at the top. Several coaches going to be created out of that company. That's the main goal of GIT Liyeplimal, creating millionaires. So my friends, thanks again and see you at the top. Good night. God bless.
Good night. You all
Good
dismissed.
night.
Thank you
Thank
guys.
you.